This is Mike. I'm coming to you from Chicago as usual, and I want to thank Peggy Terry for sending me this delicious little nugget. Let's do it.
Not me.
I object to this wrong hearing. Let's go. I'm done.
All right, Mr. Walker, please prepare another order on contempt.
State of Michigan versus Andrew Alfaro Calijas. Case numbers 22-00579 in Ipsy Township, 23W00024 and 22W0011.
Rachel McDuffie for the people on the state case.
Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
Assistant Public Defender Tanaji Kiriakin-Rulli on behalf of Mr. Andrew Alfaro. Mr. Andrew, can you state your name for the record, please?
Andrew Alfaro.
So, Your Honor, we're set for a sentencing in this matter on the state case and pre-trials on the other two cases. We did speak with our client. It looks as if Mr. Alfaro wants to address the court. We would just be asking for an adjournment with the sentencing. Mr. Alfaro did have some concerns with the recommendation from probation.
Okay, so that's his attorney. Keep an eye on her throughout the hearing. She's perfectly reasonable, but she's absolutely dying inside.
Oh, yeah. Why am I in probation?
Mr. Alfaro, hold on. The judge.
Oh, okay, sorry.
All right, so he wants to address the court, but you're requesting an adjournment, so I'm...
Yes, Judge, it's a bit difficult. Mr. Alfaro did state that he may want to seek outside counsel for this matter, and he informed me that he wanted to address the court. However, I don't think that we're going to be able to get the sentencing completed today, even if we are going to continue the representation of Mr. Alfaro. We would just need to explain further or speak with him further on what the terms of the recommendation is.
Okay.
In short, yeah, Judge, it doesn't make a lot of sense, but you're going to see what I'm dealing with here.
All right, Mr. Alfaro Calijas, it's my understanding that you, first of all, want to potentially seek outside counsel regarding your sentencing today, and then you were trying to say something to me.
Yeah, I don't understand the probation part. Like, what's the reasoning? Why am I doing probation for that case?
Because you committed a crime and you're under the jurisdiction of the court, and that is what is being recommended for you based on this, sir.
What crime have I committed? I haven't did no crime. I'm a victim. The officer hit me on the red light. I literally went home 2 minutes away from my mom. I think I was 17 at the time. That officer literally had no lights, and it was in front of a fire station.
Sir,
You pushed my court date so many back times. This is not fair. I feel this is not fair. There's no justice here. Literally.
Holy wow. That's messed up.
First of all, I didn't push your court date anywhere. That was a request. Secondly, sir, if you want to seek counsel, I'll allow you to do that. And thirdly, sir, your next sentencing date is going to be in person.
Okay.
Judge Washington is about as nice as they come, but she is not happy with that, and I don't blame her. It was incredibly insulting.
But, okay, yeah. Because I literally did nothing. I'm going to do it with the free lawyer and everything, because they need to see.
Look at his attorney just thinking, please stop talking. Please stop talking.
The surveillance video is happening in front of a fire station.
Sir, you're done talking for the day.
Yes, ma'am.
Not quite.
Your Honor, I just want to clarify, and I'm not asking Mr. Alfaro to clarify, I'm asking the court and his counsel. He just said, I'm going to do it with a free lawyer and everything. So am I understanding that he is continuing to consult with the PD's office, but then also is still seeking outside counsel as well?
I don't know what that word means.
I don't know, Mr. Duffy.
Okay.
Yeah, we haven't been able to have a very
This is the same go around chat with the judge. Yeah, I get it. Do you see what I'm dealing with? It's a good question, Miss McDuffie. I like her. She's been on a lot. It's a good question, but I can't answer it right now.
productive conversation with Mr. Alfaro. So we'll try again, and we'll definitely let the court know ahead of time if he is going to be retaining private counsel.
Thank you.
Sentencing is adjourned in this matter to July 18th, 2023 at 10 a.m. No, as a matter of fact, I'm going to make it 11 a.m. so I can make sure I have proper time to deal with Mr. Alfaro. That's in person.
That in person means a lot. She's like that. That's fine. I can't tell if you're if you have competency issues or if you're just being a jerk. But why don't you get down here so we can look you right in the eyes and figure that one out.
Mr. Alfaro, if you're going to get legal counsel, you need to have your attorney present by that date and time and be present with you in court here in person on that date and time.
Was an attorney. I'm asking questions because I don't know. Can you please help me? Was an attorney. I don't have an attorney.
Sir, I was told you're seeking outside legal counsel. Are you or
Okay,
are you?
ma'am. I don't know what is that. Yes, ma'am. Because y'all trying to persuade me to an area. Yes. Yes.
Ms. Akiri,
Yes,
is this your
ma'am.
client's normal behavior? Because otherwise he's seeming to be having some competency issues today.
Right. My notes don't indicate anything for our previous conversation in regards to around the time where the plea was entered. We pretty much ran into this issue preparing for the sentencing. And this is kind of how.
Because probation. Why am I doing probation? But with this judge, I might just do it. Okay, I'll go on the court date. I'm just frustrated if you can't tell face expressions.
Ms. Akiri,
Yes, ma'am.
are you able to actually speak with your client? Because he seems to be either just being difficult or he's very confused, and that needs to be.
That's what I could not ascertain from our conversation. It was just a phone conversation. Mr. Flaws had initially spoken with him and then escalated the call to me, essentially. And I wasn't able to have a fruitful conversation with him. I don't know yet, Judge. I think one more conversation, I'll be able to let the court know what my findings are.
July 18th at 11 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Can you repeat the court date, please? Your Honor. July 18th. Okay.
At 11 o'clock, sir.
Sorry.
And it's in person, Mr. Alfaro, so you have to come up to the courthouse.
Yes. Okay. I'll be ready.
Boy, I'm just getting railroaded here.
Well, there you have it. That was just that was amusing. I don't know. I don't know if he's got a competency problem or not. That's the right question to ask. The attorney doesn't know because we're at a stage here. So we're at sentencing. He's pled guilty to this. And that implicates other things. She's saying we didn't have this problem before because now it looks like, they pled a guy who's not competent, which may have happened, but I don't think they meant to. My gut reaction is this guy is going this direction at the sentencing stage. I don't know. He needs to be evaluated by a professional, not me. But my gut reaction is that he's just trying to avoid sentencing. It's not a good method, but and not that he's crazy. But I don't know. It has to be somebody else to make that determination. Certainly not me. Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching.